Good everyone, and welcome to today's section on things you need to know about rSheet. My name is Ifeanyi Divine. I'm the head of support at DSM Technology Solution. And if this is your first time coming across this video, rSheet is a robust school data management platform. It helps you automate your results, grade your results, track your attendance morning and afternoon, track your financial inflows and outflow, helps you take robust CBTs. It's a platform every school needs to have. So to sign up, go to rSheet.com.ng/admin and sign up. Or you can reach out to us via our customer support line, which I'll be sharing in the comment section for any kind of support. Now, today we are going to be looking at how to upload questions to your CBT, either using the bulk method or manually. I've already spoken about how to create an exam. You can find that in our channel. So to upload your questions, you click on upload questions. You can import your questions from a CSV. Okay, so you can use the manual upload to upload maybe your mathematics question for rich text. For images, you have image you want them to use to answer the question. You have those signs. You use manual upload with rich text, or if it's just a simple question, you use manual upload. Before you upload any question, you need to create the exam, which I've done a tutorial on previously. So starting with import question from CSV, the questions needs to be in this format. So you can go to your Google Sheet or your Excel, any spreadsheet of your choice, and create your question in this format. Your column for sign number, question, option A, option B, option C, option D, option E, and answer. And make sure when you are filling this, you have option A to E, because anyone you skip, if I don't have option E, this system, when you upload it, this system is going to take your answers to be option E. So to avoid that, even when you don't have any answer for option E, you can just write none of the above, none of the above, none of the above, and then your answer column. So once you are done with your spreadsheet, you download it as CSV. You come here, you select your file, and you import. The question is going to appear. But if you want to use the manual upload with rich text, you come here, you choose your section, you ask your question, what is a noun, right? So I have option A, you put in what a noun is, the name of the person. Option B, a word used instead of a noun. I say option C, an action word. Option D, I don't know. All right, so these are my options. After giving it an option, the good thing with this is that you don't need to have a limit. So you don't necessarily need to make it to have option E. So once I'm done, I come here, I select my answer. My answer is A. And then I select my last option. My last option from here is D. So I come here, I select D. And then if I have any image I want to attach to this question, I choose the image. If I have a case study, I'm going to show you how to get a case study. I submit. Now, you can choose to add, if this is math, you can choose to add any sign. You can see them from here. You can choose to add any sign of your choice. So once you are done, you click on submit. And yeah, that is it for manual upload with rich text. It's similar to manual upload. Manual upload, you select your subject, you ask your question, what is in now? You fill in your option, the person, animal, place, or thing. You say an action word, a word used instead of a noun. I don't know. Select your case study if you have any case study. So once you are done entering your option, you click which one is my answer. This is my answer, so I highlight this, and then I click on submit. My question is successfully uploaded. So you can view your questions, or you can also edit your questions. I can come here and view questions, select the subject, open, put it in now, as you can see. Okay, these are questions. Okay, so if you view this question, if I come here and click on view details of this question, you can see the options of this question. Then you can see the case study. Choose the correct answer from the later options. From the option letter A to E, choose the sound that best suits the diphthongs. So you can see this is my case study. Now, how do I create this case study? To create a case study, just come to your CBT add-on, A case study is like when I have an image, a comprehension, a composition that has several questions depending on it. So I have an image of a skeleton here, and I want the student to answer question 1 to 7 using just this image. And I don't want to keep uploading this image for anytime I'm typing and upload the question, the image. I can come here and create this image as a case study. Once I create it, it's going to give me a case study ID. Now, when I'm uploading my question, I will add the case study ID to my questions. To create a case study, after clicking on create new case study, you give your case study a title. You come here, choose a file from your computer, or if it's a URL from the internet, you come here, click on image, put in the URL here, and it's going to upload your question. If it's a comprehension, you can copy it and paste here. Once you are done, you create. Let me just type something. So this is my case study, English composition. So once I'm done, I click on create. So this is my case study. This is my ID for this particular case study, 155. So whenever I want to reference this case study, I will just put in case study 155. You see, put in your case study ID. Same thing with here, put in your case study ID. I hope this is clear enough. Once you are done and you want your student to take this exam, of course, I've told you how to activate your exam. You just go to their browser, click on rSheet.com.ng/CBT. So they come here, they enter their school ID, their student registration number, and they log in and they take this exam. So yeah, that will be all. If you have any question, any feedback, any suggestion, please reach out to us. I hope you have a lovely experience using rSheet, and I hope you try out our CBT platform. Yeah, bye.